let's say this is one of another method. So here also you can give some documentations or definitions of this method using this type of documentations comment. So how we can do that one, slash then double star then just enter. So it will automatically give you the exact structure. Now what we have today, we will learn what is Java comment, why we need Java comment, and what is its important. So first we have to understand what is actually Java comment. So if you check here, so comments are those statements in your Java code which are ignored by compiler. What it's mean? So understand it through some coding in Eclipse. Now here you can see in Eclipse I have created a class name as, let's say, demo class, and this is its main method. Now here this is an variable of integer type and some other logic I have written here. Now if I want to give some comment here, so I can use this type of double slash and I can write something here. Okay, so once you write anything in your Java program with this type of double slash, then this is actually called a comment in Java. But the thing is that once you use this type of double slash, that will basically ignored by compiler. Okay, so even if you try to make a double slash on this line, let's say I want to make a double slash here, so that's mean this code snippet or this statement will be ignored by compiler. So these are basically called comment in Java. Now the question is that if using this double slash we are trying to ignore a line or a statement or a code snip, then what is the use of it, right? Now this is your answer. So using comment you can explain your program what it's mean. So when you are trying to create any program, you can give a proper comment for your program, that what purpose you are trying to create this program, right? So it will give more explanations of your program, and not only that, if you give this type of comment, so it will make your program more maintainable and also readable. Now I show you means how we can create a comment using some double slash, right? So similar way in Java there are actually three way to create your comment in your Java program, which is called a single line comment, which I just give an examples that using some double slash. There are another two type of comment which is called multi-line comment and documentation comments. So let's check all these three comment in Eclipse and with some proper descriptions and proper definitions of that. Now let's check how to write a single line comment. So to write a single line comment, you have to definitely use a double slash, and then you have to type your descriptions or your comment here. Okay, so let's say I want to describe this roll number, why it is used. Okay, so I can type this type of things with some double slash. Okay, so this is basically a single line comment where you can see from here to here it is giving a different color, and this line of code or this line of statement will be ignored by compiler. So this is a single line comment, and here I give some descriptions of roll number so that in future some other programmer or some other developer when try to work on this program, they can easily understand why this roll number variable is declared. So here I have given a specific description that this variable can be used for capturing student roll number, right? Similar way, for this name you can also give some comment that this variable is used for capturing student instead of roll number, as this is a name, so I can write here name. Okay, so this way you can create a single line comment so that the next time your program will be more maintainable by checking this type of comment for each line of code. Now there is another comment which is called multi-line. So if you check here, let's say this is written in a single line, and if I enter here and again try to use some comment, or let's say if I want to make this line in a two separate line instead of here, so let's say from this variable can be used for, then in second line if I write capturing student's name, so it will give me a error, right? Why? Because this double slash is used for single line comment, it will not for multi-line comment. But if you want to make this type of multiple line, then you can use this syntax. Instead of double slash, single slash, then star. Here your comment start, and then you have to end that comment using star then slash. So first one is your slash then star, and your end is star then slash. So here you can see I have written a double line or multi-line. So in this way, under these, slash and star and slash, you can write any type of comment, okay, with different line. So these are called basically multi-line. Now why we need actually multi-line? So we can understand that this is enough to create a single line, right? And this is also enough to create for this name descriptions to create a single line instead of multi-line, right? Now there are some other example where we actually need multi-line comment, okay. Let's say you want to ignore this part of code, okay, that is not required anymore, okay. So how you can do that one? You can again comment it like slash star from here to here, right? So that's mean your multi-line comment used for ignoring this type of code snip. Even also you can write, let's say, a paragraph for a particular portions of your code, so you can use the multi-line comment. Okay. Now there are another type of comment which is called documentations comment, okay. So what is that? So if you are in Eclipse, you can simply make a slash then double star, and if you enter here, so you can get this type of comment. So basically I mean to say that when you try to create a documentation type of comment, so you have to use first slash then double star, okay, then it will again close with star and slash, okay. And where we use this type of documentations comment, let's say you want to give some proper descriptions for your class, okay, or you want to give some proper documentation comment for your main method. So again here also you can use this type of double star and before that a slash, then if you make a enter, so it will automatically in Eclipse IDE you will get this type of structure, okay. So this is basically mention that for your demo class you can write something here, some descriptions here. For your main method you can give some descriptions here, okay. And similarly, let's say this is one of another method, so here also you can give some documentations or definitions of this method using this type of documentations comment. So how we can do that one? Slash then double star then just enter, so it will automatically give you the exact structure. Now what you have to write here? You have to write here the exact definitions of your class, okay. So let's say it's a demo class, so this class I can write like this. So I have written this class is responsible to give a demo for Java comment. Shows when any user or any developer come to your demo class program, they can easily understand why you written this demo class, okay, using these documentations comment. Similar way, this is your main method, right? So you can give some definitions of this main method, okay. Let me give a comment like, so I have given here, this is my main method of this program. So you can write any type of comment which is suitable for your method, but I have given here, this is the main method of my programs. And when you try to create a documentation type of things, and if your method maintain or contain any parameter, that will come here as a params, okay. And here you can give some definitions of your parameter. Let's say I have given this is arguments parameter, okay. Similar way, if you go here, so this is my display method, right? And you can see here I have two different type of variable. One is parameter is name, another one is roll number, so that is automatically come here. This is name and this is roll number, so you can give some definitions of this display method here, and you can give the details of this name and roll number parameter here. Okay, so let me put some definitions here. So here you can see the definitions for this display method I have given. This is a display method to print name and roll number of a student. So anytime any developer come to your program, or in future when you are coming to this program, you can easily understand why you create this display method, right? Now you can also give what is the definitions of name and roll number, these two parameters. Okay, so as you can see, I have given for name, this is for student name, and this roll number parameter is actually for, this is for student roll number. Now in this way you can create some documentations comment in your program as well. Now the beauty of this type of documentations comment is that based on your comment you can generate some Java doc, which is basically inbuilt features of Java. And how it will be look like, let's check that. But how to create a Java doc, that we will discuss later in separate session. Now based on your comment, your Java docs for this class will be look like this. So your class name is demo class, right? So this is my class name, and I have given some comment or definitions for this class, right? So you can see here that is come here, this class is responsible to give a demo for Java comment. The same thing I have written here, and the same thing come in a Java docs. Now if you click on this demo class, so it will give the details of the class. And what is the details of the class? So in this example you can see I have some main method, and for this main method I have written some documentations. Even I have some display method, and for that I have given some documentation. So let's check that in documentation part. So here you can see for your demo class, okay, there are again the method like main and display, and whatever you written or documented here, that is actually coming here. So if you check your display method, it says this is a display method to print name and roll number of student. So the same thing is coming here like this. Even you have given the two parameter definitions, name and roll number, like this. This is for student name and this is for student roll number. So that is also come here like name and roll number, and this is its definition. Similarly for main method you have given some definitions like this is main method for this program or of this program, right? So similar the definitions come here, and this is the main method arguments whose definitions you give like this. So these definitions actually come here. So this way, this is the beauty of the documentation comment, that will automatically create or automatically fill your Java docs details. So now you can understand what is the beauty and what is the important of Java comment, right? So if you give this type of comment with proper format and with proper detail down, then it is easy for any other developer to work on your program. And not only for other developer, in future once you again return back to your program, you can easily understand for which reason you create this class, and for which reason you basically create this type of method or variable, everything. Okay, so everything you can document it in your Java program using some comment. I believe this video has helped you to understand about the topic. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, click on the bell notifications and select all so that you don't miss any video from this channel.